Hi my friends, let's model the part number 79 contour stand from my collection of 100 parts. The object is here. As you can see, it has two legs on a contour, but the drawing shows more. A plate, we can apply sweep twice. We apply sweep with this section for this and sweep with this section up. Yes? Good. They are connected here with the radius. The same thickness. 8 and 8. Yes, the same thickness. Let's start. We start with the base plate, which is an oval, radius 220, radius 12, distance 125. Let's create this and extrude on 5. This face, X horizontal, a circle with a radius of 12, radius 12, another circle equal. I don't want to write the same dimension to two identical objects. Yes, this is why I create a second one without dimension and then I place equal, because I don't want to have many dimensions in my drawing. You see, I draw a line between these two and a construction line. Yes, and then I make it horizontal and I place the center point and the center point. Good. Then an arc connecting both and one end to be tangent. Yes, this is tangent, and the other manually applied tangency. The other arc is this one with tangency on the right. They are equal, of course, or their radius, and the value is 220. The distance 125. And now we trim circles, maintaining full constraint. Finish sketch, F6, extrude 5. Okay. Now we draw this contour to place the section on the top. Yes, the contour is radius 12 again 12 here, 74 and 98. I have to place this some extended here and to split it. Let's do. This plane XY F7 a circle with a radius of 12 placed on the vertical of the center point at a distance of 74. The center is at 74, and an arc starting from the circle and about here with the radius of 98. Good. Tangent to the circle. This must be on the same horizontal with the center of the circle. They are white, and I make something because one dimension is needed. This end is not dimensioned, yes, but I project this end and I place the end point coincident with the projection. Yes, and now it is fully constrained. I like to have fully constrained here, and in a position that when you change dimensions to remain okay, the construction. Yes, I project the y-axis as a construction line to apply mirror of this arc about this axis. Done. Trim, and we have the steering curve for sweep. Next is to create this section 12883 on the top of the steering curve. The plane is this unbearable plane with the horizontal placed on vertical. This is why I call it unbearable. I project this arc to have a point here, yes, and I draw that section as a rectangle with a rectangle. Trim the common side, equal left with right, left with right. 8. Where is to the center point? Yes, always. This is the center point, and this is homotetical section with one we draw here. Yes, all the lines are to this oriented to the center line, center point. 8, 8, 3, no, this is 12, and this is 8. With this end is selectable, so I apply coincident to this point with this point. Yes, finish sketch. F6. Now we have both steering curve and the profile on the section. Sweep. The profile is already selected, and I select the steering curve, join, OK. Yes, this is the construction. And now I know that this is the plane XZ. I apply split by using the tool XZ. I cannot use this face, you see? I cannot select it. I have to use work plane and select solid. Yes, now is off, now is not off, and you choose to keep both sides, left side, right side. I want this. The arrow shows what will be eliminated. Yes, okay, and this was eliminated. Good. Now the other sweep has a contour of the section similar, but let's draw this steering curve before. Yes, which is at 19 with 44 and is placed at 173 minus 22 minus 41, radius 3. The plane is XY, sketch. In U, I keep pressed and I draw a first arc, and then the same thing for the second arc. Good. These 2 points are on the same vertical. These 2 arcs are equal, and dimensions 19 is this, 44, you see, oriented again to the center point. The new sketch well dimensioned, 44, three, and that's the contour. We'll move it some and we apply vertical the point with the center point. Now the base is placed at 173 minus 22 minus 41. Finished sketch. This is the steering curve. Again, the same, unlike plane, I project this point and I draw again a rectangle with another rectangle. Dimensions are 8, 16, 16, 3. But first I trim the common side and then equal left with right, left with right. Dimensions 16. The shape is to the center point, 16, 8, and 3. Good. Now I place this point over the projected point. Finish sketch, F6, sweep. This is the steering curve and this is the construction. I select the good plane XY. I create a circle with a radius 15. F7. I project geometry. This is necessary to complete the area, and then tangent to both. Trim, and I don't know if this is considered as good, so I draw 2 arcs. Yes. Finish sketch and extrude. It was selected, but I change this. The sketch plane I want to be this one, and the extrusion to be done to this face. Okay. F6. You see the result. Next is this cylinder, which is continued here with the same diameter, starting from this face down 28 with a diameter of 20. 28 are the dimensions. I draw a circle here, F5 to see what we do there. A circle with a diameter of 20. Extrude. This circle, the other direction, join 28. Okay. The other cylinder starts from 41 millimeters from this face. 41. We create a plane from here up at 41, and we project, we create a sketch, F5 to see the situation, and I project this geometry. I draw a full circle here, and I extrude it on 22. Remember 22 from the previous operation. Extrude 22. Okay. Visibility. Now there is a hole of 8 through both cylinders. Good. Hole 8, face, center, 2, to this face. Okay, good. There are two bosses on the bottom on the plate with a diameter of 16 centered on the end arcs. Face, sketch, circle, diameter of 16, diameter off, because I apply equal, extrude, 1, 2, on, 8 minus 5 millimeters. 8 minus 5. Okay. Now holes of 8. 8 is what it was, but through. This is the face, this is the center, and plus to go to the other. Boss, face, center, okay. Yes? Good. There is a clearance here with the distance inside of 56, the angle of 45, and to the thickness. We use this plane to create a sketch in the middle. F7. I draw a trapeze, line, slope, line, here. These two are equal to be symmetrical. This is 56. The angle is 45. The height is 2. And this midpoint is placed over the center point. And now we apply what we applied to another object. I don't apply finish sketch to go out and to have no visibility of this contour, but and what is the operation I want is extrude. Okay, I press E from Eastern, and the extrude dialog box is present. I select cut, symmetrical, all over. Okay, you see the result. Yes, that's all, my friends. Material, steel cast, general aspect, steel cast, and faces to be machined. This face, this hole, this face, this hole, and also this face I think is necessary, and the base plate to be polished. Good. properties, physical, update, almost half a kilogram is this object. That's all for the moment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.